tutors, I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use HelloChinese Learn Chinese app. So first of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then tap the open button. Then you have to tap here start because you need to create your account. A completely new Chinese, so set your things. Then you can see here they give you Chinese is a character based language. Okay, so yeah, the word hello is formed by the two singular character you and good. Continue. Ni hao. Okay, ni hao, pinyin. So this is the thing. I'm not I don't know, but I'm just going to say ni hao. So you can see here they teach you like how to learn it, the alphabet. Ma, mam, ma, horse, ma. So you can listen their pronunciation. If you tap here microphone, then you can see them. Continue. I speak Chinese. Waswa. So you can see here, tap here. Okay, you can see tap here the microphone or speaker, then you can listen it. Subject, verb, object. Continue. So continue. Okay, I'm just going to continue. This is the beginner, so start now. So you can see this is the interface of learning app. So first of all, you need to learn lesson 1 first. If you tap here, preparing the lesson for you. So you need to start, and you can see here, oh, which one of this is hello. So you can see here, you can tap, I may be wrong, check. Oh, okay, ni hao, literally you're good, hello. Okay, so if you tap here the speaker button, then you will listen. Continue. So gradually like a goodbye, so you can say something, and they give you can see here they give you picture also. Simply check. Okay, great, goodbye, jai jian. So you can tap here to listen them. Continue. So actually they give you the things. Select the word you hear. So you can see, maybe I'm not wrong. Okay, let's say hello. Okay, so actually you can focus and you can learn this way. So I keep it, and you can see here one step further. Like if you want to learn more, then you have to subscribe, you have to buy their plan. It's not too much.